Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Business Manager and your app. Now connect them. In the app dashboard, link your app to Business Manager, then install the Facebook SDK or an MMP SDK inside the app, so install Events Fire. Once done, verify app events appear in the Events Manager. Next, open Ads Manager and pick the app installs objective. Select your app and platform, choose audiences and placements. This fast sequence ensures the ad system can receive install signals, so tracking can begin immediately. Now you need accurate event configuration and attribution. In Events Manager, confirm install events appear from your test devices. Use the Test Events tab to validate SDK calls. Then set your attribution window, commonly 7-day click and 1-day view, and, if using an MMP, link the partner and configure postback settings. Make sure event names in the SDK are mapped to Facebook standard events so ads reporting receives them. Doing this prevents mismatches between ad clicks and the installs reported. Finish by launching a small spend campaign and monitor conversions in Ads Manager over the first 24 to 72 hours. Attribution can lag, so expect a short delay. If installs don't show, check SDK logs on device, use Facebook diagnostics, and confirm MMP postbacks are reaching Events Manager. Also make sure consent or privacy settings aren't blocking events. If needed, rerun the test events flow and adjust attribution windows. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals common integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.